Hey, it's Luke from Prime Document Sign. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to create a quick employment contract. You can just click the Start from Template button up here at the top and just search for employment. So we've got a couple of different options. Once you click on that, it's going to give you a full template of the employment contract. You can just go through this and update whatever you need to update. You can also highlight, make the font size bigger or smaller, and many different options. Once you're happy with that, you can scroll down to the signature section. Down here, you can edit the layout. You can add fields, remove fields, and also make it multiple columns if you wanted to. Once you're happy with this, then you can scroll down to the Send To section. Here you can just put your organization name, your from email, which would be your current email, and then the recipient email, who you're sending the contract to. You've also got an option here for email reminders, so you can select these checkboxes if you wanted to send additional reminders. Once you're happy with all of that, just click the Preview PDF button. You can just scroll down to the bottom, and if you're happy with the way it looks, click Send Email. This will send the email to the recipient and will only take a few seconds. Once they receive the email, it's going to look like this, and they can just click Sign Document. When clicking that, it's going to show the full contract, and this will allow them to edit, put in all of their details, and sign the documents. Once the document's been signed, they can just click the Done button. This will lock the document and also allow you to download the document at the bottom. It's also going to send you an email saying that this agreement has been signed, and then you can just click this button and access that email directly. And from here, you can download the documents. You've also got an option to view your email activity from here. So you can click on View Email Activity. And then from here, you can also see what time the document has been signed and also access the link from here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out our other videos.